I have always wanted to be that person who could sit down and paint a beautiful picture, but I don't have that artistic ability until now. I now feel like I am creating a beautiful painting that I can hang in my home and feel proud to say that I painted that. All because this comes with everything you need while giving you the guidance by showing you exactly where each color is supposed to go. This comes rolled up, and it comes with a small picture that you can reference, as well as a paper that has the numbers labeled just as the canvas does when you receive it, so that you can refer to that if you happen to paint the wrong color in the wrong area and need to repaint over it. Sounds specific, but that's something I did, and I was able to refer to that paper and repaint over the mishap. The colors are easy to use, and if you happen to accidentally leave one of them open, you just add a little bit of water to it, and then the paint is ready to use again. This painting has given me the excuse to sit down and relax, and I love that I can walk away and come back at any time and pick up where I left off, all because of the labeling of this painting. This took me almost a month, but that's just because I'm a very busy mom of 5 and I don't have a ton of free time, but this gives me that excuse to sit down and relax and also have a creative outlet. This is very simple to follow. The paint brushes are thin and the perfect size to get into the tiny spaces. The paint coloring is great and just as shown in the description, and the painting itself is beautiful. The paint is a nice consistency, making painting even the finest of areas problem-free. This is definitely something I plan to order and do more of. It is so relaxing having the hard work done for you. You don't have to decide which color goes where or even what to paint. You don't even have to worry about getting the right sized paintbrushes. This has it all. I am so glad the seller gifted this to me to tell you all about. I love it and I highly recommend it.